Yeah, thank you for inviting me. Today, I want to talk about why is data protection so complex in AI. We had been processing data for a long time, and data protection is not something new. But why is it so complex in AI? In pre-AI, the data processing was a simple three-tier architecture. You had the data, you had the processing, you had the visualization. And we were looking answers for the known questions. All the ETL, all the processing were predefined, very predictable, fixed. In the new world, the distance between the data and the users is pretty wide. We have many layers of interpretation. That we have intelligence to combine data in a new way and dynamically join different agents to produce different results. And by inherently, it's unpredictable, much more complex. So in the pre-AI, it was fixed. Here it is dynamic. In the fixed world, doing a role-based access or controlling your sensitive data, all those things are very simple. You can just block a column, block a specific screen in the UX. Now we have to think about AX, AI experience, right? Artificial intelligence experience. Here, you have to think about a dynamic experience, a conversational experience. Now, you have to think about a much more nuanced controls. A binary simple yes and no, have access, don't have access, won't work. A role-based access shall be thought differently. You have to think about users and agents, not just users. Users are agents, and what level of access they have. How are you going to dynamically control your sensitive data in this new world? This is the exact problem Protecto is solving. There are two approaches people are taking. One is putting guardrails outside in the network and trying to control or do AI security. And product like us, we are built into the application to provide guardrails sitting within the application. So Protecto sits inside an application and brings certain data guardrails part of the product. For example, sensitive data. You are ingesting data from different sources, either it be a RAG, agent, and this data is getting processed and it is being sent to another agent or a human. In this data processing, protective guardrails sits within the application, identifies what is sensitive, masks the data in a way that your models and your AI applications fully understands the data. And whenever it's needed, you can unmask it based on the users, access privileges. Users are agents. Who is accessing the data based on access privileges, we can unmask it. Right? This is one such control as a data guardrail and gives developers a control on what type of data who can access and what type of access controls is needed to complete the task, which much more nuanced controls. Those are the things we give, which is needed for your AI use cases. To learn more, visit www.protector.ai